Jesus.
Money.
Do you have anything you want to shout out?
Shout out?
Yeah, like any of your stuff.
Shout out to all my financial problems.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner.
And I'm Jose Roque, her sidekick. Her side bitch. The extra. She needs some brown in this situation.
Yeah, diversity. We are real estate agents in Lake Chapala, Mexico at Lake Chapala Realty. Before we get started, I just want to say if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com or
Roque at lakechapalarealty.com.
If you're looking to buy in the area and you are not in the area, we can send you some properties from the MLS so you can get an idea of what's on the market and what our inventory looks like. If you are here in town, obviously we can take you out on tour to see some homes so that you can purchase. If you are looking to sell your property in the Lake Chapala area, we can come do an opinion of value and figure out what your home is worth, the highest that it can sell for.
If you are new here to Amanda's channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that every time she uploads a video and a property, you can get a notification.
Also, don't forget to check out my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you can find a link to our bed and breakfast and our cafe, both just one, Best of Lake Chapala for best coffee, best bed and breakfast for the second year in a row. And every Wednesday for the foreseeable future, we are doing free Americanos at El Gato Feo Cafe, okay? Free all day long. We're open every day. I feel like Donald Trump right now. Like, free. It's magnificent. We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So come see us on a Wednesday. Get your free Americano.
This first house is in Riberas del Pilar, and it is not in a gated community, which a lot of people actually love because they don't have the HOA and your neighbors, creeping up on you, trying to figure out what you're trying to do, if you're trying to, you know what I mean. It's got spacious areas. It's got like nice room sizes. It's got this awesome den as you walk into the house, which you can also use as a little living room or a little TV room. But storage, guest bedroom. Overall, it's a pretty cool house. It's very well maintained and is in a very quiet area.
Yeah, it's new too, so that's nice. And it's kind of a blank canvas, so you can pretty much do whatever you want to do in there, especially since it's not in an HOA. And the reason that we're bringing up HOA is because this type of construction that's happening in this house is typically found in gated communities in this area. But this one is not in a gated community.
All right, let's go check it out.
Alrighty guys, this first house we're looking at is listed at $340,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 190 square meters or 2,042 square feet. The lot size is 235 square meters or 2,533 square feet. It is not in a gated community, therefore there is no HOA. It does not come furnished and it's located in Riberas del Pilar.
Ok, esta propiedad está listada en $340,000. Son 2 recámaras, 2 baños en un solo piso. La construcción es de un total de 190 metros cuadrados o 2,042 pies cuadrados. El lote es un total de 235 metros cuadrados o 2,533 pies cuadrados. No está en un área privada, así es que no tiene ninguna cuota condominal. No viene amueblada y está localizada en Riberas del Pilar.
All 3 of the homes that we're showing you today are pretty much located in the same area. So we're just going to do one map section. So the first 2 are right here and the last one is here, all on San Marcos Street in Riberas. So all of this area here is Riberas. And you got a gas station right here. Oh, you got an auto parts store here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Gato Feo Cafe is a really good place to get some coffee. That's a nice place too. Lots of shopping, lots of dining through here. And let me show you. Hospital San Antonio is right here, probably like a 2-minute drive to this area if you have any emergency or anything like that. This is located within the municipality of Chapala, so all of your emergency services are municipality of Chapala. Your fire station is up here. As you can see, San Antonio is located to the west of Riberas, so lots going on in here too. Right in this section, you have a mall with a food court and movie theater, casino. You've got Walmart right here. You have an auto zone right here. Actually, I don't think I've ever said that in any of my videos. There it is. And what else have we got here? As you go a little further west, this is all La Reserva, which is a very desired gated community through there. And then you are in Ajijic right here. And if you keep going to the west, you will be in San Juan Cosala, which is where all the thermal water springs are. Lots of good healing properties with that water. Makes you feel nice and good. Anti-inflammatory, all that. And then you can go into Joco right here. You can also go around down the lake and all of that. So let's see how much time it would take us to get to each place from this location. San Antonio Hospital is a 7-minute drive. The center of Ajijic is a 20-minute drive. Now, mind you, it is Thursday at 4 p.m. and this weekend is Semana Santa, so everybody's starting to pile in here. So this is really backed up through here. Normally, I think it would only take about 10 minutes without traffic. This is saying it would take you 43 minutes to drive into Joco, but again, it's a very busy weekend, so I'd say maybe we can shave off about 15 minutes from this. It would take you about a half hour to get to Joco. And from this house to the airport is a 36-minute drive. And remember also, Guadalajara Airport is an international airport, so you can fly anywhere in the world from this place right here. And last one, from this house to Chapala Centro is a 9-minute drive. There's a little bit of traffic backed up here, and that's pretty common. So that's not just because of the holiday. There's usually traffic through there. So yeah, 9 minutes sounds right about that.
All right, house number 2 is also in Riberas del Pilar. It is by the same builder. So the house is very similar to the previous ones you saw. The architecture is really nice. It's got that nice bow with the ceilings as well. Very spacious, lots of light. I love that little like yard in the middle of the house.
Yeah.
It's got that awesome mirador where you can just like, go out there and look at the clouds or at night, look at the stars.
Your neighbors.
Yeah,
your neighbors spying on
really
you.
good.
They're both the same price. This one's just a little bit brighter than the other one. The other one has a little more character. This one's a little brighter. So let's go check it out. Second home on tour is also listed at $340,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 197 square meters or 2,118 square feet. The lot size is 254 square meters or 2,737 square feet. It is also not located in a gated community, therefore there is no HOA. It does not come furnished, and it's also located in Riberas del Pilar.
Nuestra segunda propiedad está también enlistada en $340,000. También tiene 2 recámaras, 2 baños en un solo piso. La construcción es de 197 metros cuadrados o 2,118 pies cuadrados. El lote es de 254 metros cuadrados o 2,737 pies cuadrados. Tampoco está en un área privada, así es que tampoco tiene ninguna cuota condominal. Tampoco viene amoblada y también está localizada en Riberas del Pilar. So this next property is also in Riberas del Pilar. So it's a really cool up-and-coming quiet neighborhood. They're all through, yeah, Riberas. This house is actually really cool because it's brand new. As you walk into the house, you have your little carport, and then you go into the house. It's really spacious. It's got that beautiful kitchen with all that woodwork.
Yeah, no granite in the kitchen. It's all wood.
It's all wood. Yeah, it's really nice. Then you have the bedroom downstairs with a bathroom and a little closet. And then if you walk in towards the house, you have this really good outside patio. They built that big water system.
So it's a huge cistern. That's aljibe is what they call it here.
So you'll never run out of water. And then they have this awesome mirador. You go up to the top. It's got really nice views to the lake and to the mountains. And the other cool part about it is that you can technically enclose it because it already has water and gas and everything up there. So if you've decided that you do not want to be in a mirador, but you want to be in a bedroom, that can happen.
Your choice.
Your choice.
All right, let's go check it out. Last but not least, we got this house over here down the street listed at $349,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 199 square meters or 2,147 square feet. The lot size is 200 square meters or 2,153 square feet. It is also not in a gated community and there is not an HOA. It does not come furnished and it's also located in Riberas del Pilar.
Ok, por último, esta casa está enlistada en $340,000. Tiene 2 recámaras, 2 baños y medio, una casa de 2 pisos. La construcción es de 199 metros cuadrados o 2,147 pies cuadrados. El lote en total es de 200 metros cuadrados o 2,153 pies cuadrados. Tampoco está en un área privada, así es que no hay ninguna cuota condominal. Tampoco viene amueblada y también está localizada en Riberas del Pilar.
All right, that's it. Now we're going to say goodbye. Right. Goodbye, everybody. All right, guys, that's it for us. We are out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, please, and share us out to your friends. Don't forget, if you're looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com.
Or Roque@lakechapalarealty.com. And don't forget, every Wednesday, El Gato Feo, free Americanos. Check it out. Stop by, say hi.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you next week. Bye.